Hello people, ScaryMerry here. If you remember last week, ScaryMerry was going to give you tips on how to open a DVD case without going to the emergency room. Well, ScaryMerry had a little trouble with opening up this Sea Hunt DVD that she bought for her husband at Christmas, and now you can see ScaryMerry has a lot of scary bandages. But I do have my thumbs, which is really cool. But ScaryMerry's husband, who I hope you'll meet someday, will not be able to watch the Sea Hunt video until ScaryMerry gets her band-aids off. But on another note, I watched Nova on PBS the other night, and I was really upset because this Neil deGrasse scientist, like, he's so easy to understand, but he said Pluto is not a planet. This pisses off ScaryMerry because even Harvard scientists say that if it's round, it's a planet. If it's out there and it's an object and it's just revolving around and it's round, then it's a planet. And then there's another organization called the IAU. ScaryMerry has no idea what that stands for, but they say, and I quote, "A planet must clear the neighborhood around its orbit in order to be called a planet." Well, Pluto kind of does this. The only thing that Pluto does, according to Neil deGrasse, is it kind of just, swerves a little bit. Maybe it's not like, an orbit like we're used to seeing. But, hey, just because, like a little Shih Tzu dog is little, does that mean it's not a dog? No. ScaryMerry has big dogs, but, a Chihuahua's a dog. Some of them little dogs, like on America's Ugliest Dogs that have no hair, I mean, they're still dogs. So ScaryMerry disagrees with this, and I want Pluto back, Now they say that they found another planet called Aries. But apparently the guy that named this new planet Aries is like not allowed to just pick a name out of the sky and say, "I named my planet Aries." So, Harvard and, the University of whoever knows the greatest scientists of all times say, no, you can't just say Aries and his planet. So, I don't know. ScaryMerry's just very upset. And I would love to know whether you think Pluto is a planet. I mean, I learned that in school. I have it memorized. I made a little poem about it. And that's how I remembered all my 9 planets. So Neil deGrasse, I say to you, ScaryMerry says Pluto is a planet. Well, I hope ScaryMerry's wounds get better soon. And maybe next time we can teach you how to open a DVD case without going to the emergency room. Well, for now, goodbye, and remember, ScaryMerry loves you long time.